Welcome back to another video. Today, I will be teaching you how to copy a layout from another drawing in Autocad. If this video helped you, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Let's get right into it. If you've ever wanted to transfer layouts from one Autocad drawing to another without recreating everything from scratch, this process is actually very simple and can save you a lot of time. To begin, open the Autocad drawing where you want the layout to be copied into. Then look toward the bottom of the screen where your layout tabs are located. You'll usually see tabs labeled Layout 1, Layout 2, and so on. Right-click on any of those layout tabs. A menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select the option called From Template. Even though it says From Template, this option also allows you to import layouts directly from another DWG drawing file, not just template files. After clicking it, a file browser window will open. Near the bottom of the window, you'll notice a file type drop-down menu. By default, Autocad may only show DWT template files, so you'll need to switch the file type to DWG files. Once you change it to DWG, navigate to the drawing file that contains the layout you want to copy. Select the file and click Open. A new window will then appear displaying all the layouts available inside that drawing. Simply choose the layout or layouts you want to bring into your current project. After selecting them, click OK. Instantly, those layouts will appear alongside your existing layouts in the current drawing. This is an incredibly useful feature because it lets you reuse title blocks, viewport setups, page settings, and entire sheet layouts without having to rebuild them manually every time. It's a huge time saver for architectural, engineering, drafting workflows, especially when working across multiple projects with similar standards. And that's all there is to it. You can now quickly copy layouts from one Autocad drawing to another in just a few clicks. If I helped you in this video, consider subscribing and leaving a like, as that helps me make more videos.